How to make money fast online. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. If you've been online for any length of time, you probably realize there are 1,000,001 ways to make money fast on the web. The internet provides an amazing opportunity to start a home-based business with minimal investment while setting your own schedule and enjoying time with your family more than ever. Let's explore some creative ways to make money online and build a solid stream of income. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. Now let's jump into how to make money online. 1. Use your skills to create a service. If you have a special skill that can benefit others, turn the skill into a home business. You can make money at home doing what you do best, whether it's motivational speaking, consulting, marketing, writing, making crafts, sewing, painting, cooking, or parenting. You can develop your own niche product and promote it online through your own website, affiliate marketing, and even online auctions. You might ask, how do you do this quickly? You can start a website fast as long as the site doesn't require complicated programming and ordering systems. You can set up small 1-page or 5-page websites in a matter of hours with some software programs. Once your website is ready to sell, you'll need to promote it through free and paid search engines, content marketing, press releases, online ads, e-newsletter ads, and perhaps even offline avenues. Need help launching your website? HostGator can help. HostGator is a leading provider of secure and easy website hosting services. Check out the link in the description below. 2. Multi-level marketing and network marketing. Another way to make money fast is to sign on with a multi-level marketing company and begin networking with others. This type of business opportunity works really well online because you can enter a proven system and promote the program without leaving your home. It's easier than ever to promote these types of programs online. The good thing about these programs is you can learn from experienced members that are already making money. It allows you to make money now using their knowledge instead of waiting to learn it all on your own. 3. Help others start a business online. You can also make fast money by helping others start an online home business. You can sell products, ebooks, and software to help others learn how to get started. There are thousands of people every day looking for that perfect business online. They are seeking ways to make money online, just like you. When you provide services to help them realize their dreams, you will earn profit in the process, and this type of business can be very rewarding as you see others succeed. Some software programs that are popular in this field are affiliate software, email follow-up software, online courses, ebooks about making money, home business tips, website creation software, and so forth. 4. Make money with your computer through freelance sites. If you're happy with a home business in which you work a set number of hours or complete projects for others, you can easily make money at home through freelance sites. There are thousands of companies looking for skilled persons in fields such as data entry, medical billing or transcription, coding, writing, web design, graphic design, and accounting. You can use your skills to earn a living from home while still being your own boss as a freelancer. With any new home business, expect to work hard if you want to make money fast. Every business requires careful study and a daily effort to make it work. Use these simple but lucrative ideas to make money fast with an online business today. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.